Go get it.
Uncle Joe made a hit. Again.
Did you see it?
Come here.
On my finger. On my finger. Look.
Oh, look at that.
Right to the bell.
Oh my
Right to the
gosh.
bell.
Oh, Kyle, I want one of those.
That is
Ooh.
cool.
You want to sit on it?
Those tricks are not that easy. I'm better off with 2 wheels.
Go see Daddy. Daddy will put you on there.
Let's sit on it. Come on. Is she on?
Yeah.
Hold on tight.
Oh my
The seat goes
gosh.
lower on if you wanna see the turn on the
You can go
left.
with the seat,
That
Joe.
goes into the next peg.
Oh my
Goes lower,
God.
Yeah. She's a little too tall for it.
A little bit shorty.
I'm gonna take her up and adjust
She's
it.
laughing.
Okay, I think.
She's
She's not gonna be able to push her.
She's like, what's going on?
on her toes.
Push her.
Look. She goes forward, she goes.
Do it again.
Wait, she looks disturbed.
You okay, honey?
What's the matter, sweetie? What?
She's not sure.
Hold
She's
on.
not sure of herself.
New and exciting.
I think she... Show her the bell again, where it is.
You got your finger on it.
Oh, she likes the bell.
Push her again. Oh, she looks like she's gonna get off.
Yeah,